I may say, bilateral vestibular hypofunction. So you need to understand how the lab is organized. I gave you the treatment for BPPV, right? That's the Brent Darrell. Now we're going to talk about unilateral vestibular hypofunction. Very common, okay? With unilateral vestibular hypofunction, you're not going to have like a positive Dix-Hall type, but you're going to see vestibular ocular issues. You're going to see vestibular spinal reflex issues, okay? And you're going to see motion sensitivity, okay? So remember, we treat problems. We don't treat a diagnosis. So how do I treat gaze issues? Just use the same thing. Use gaze stability exercises. To fix vision, use visual exercises. Okay? And now we're going to go over those. Okay? They're called gaze stability exercises or adaptation exercises. I like gaze stability exercises better because adaptation, habituation, it all begins to sound Epley, CMOT maneuver. It's like, really? Can we just make it any more complicated? So when I have someone with a gaze issue, a VOR issue, I work on the VOR. If I have someone with balance vestibular spinal reflex issues, I work on balance. Problem, solution. Okay? If I have someone that when they move in a particular direction get dizzy, then I work on motion sensitivity, and that is habituation. But to me, habituation sounds like eye exercise. So it's confusing. The terminology is confusing. So gaze stability is adaptation. Motion sensitivity, habituation. Okay? Those are the connections. All right, so now gaze stability exercises. I have the picture right here. Ooh, God, that Dr. Walsh rocks. Okay, so you give them a business card, or they can hold their own credit card, or they can hold a piece of paper. Doesn't matter. They need to be able to hold it in front of them. If they wear eyeglasses, please let them wear their eyeglasses. Okay? Hold it in front of them within a distance that they can concentrate and see and read it. Okay? And then what they do is they rotate the head. There are two paradigms of gaze stability. Remember I said in the lecture. Two paradigms. It's called times 1 and times 2. We start with times 1. That's VOR. Times 2 is VOR cancellation. VOR, times 1, paradigm. Head rotates while the object is still. And they go as fast as they can, still being able to see the letters clearly. It's not doing me any good if everything is blurry. So maybe it's this fast. That's okay. That's how fast they have to start, that's fine. Eventually, as they get better, and again, they're moving like, to 45 degrees to 45 degrees. Don't take them to end range, because then they will get saccades and nystagmus and all the rest of it. Just this visual part of the visual field here. And they move in between at the speed at which they can maintain accurate vision. Does everybody understand that? How do we progress it? We have them move faster. What happens when they peak out if they're still coming and you still need to work on it? You have them stand on one foot. Tandem stand. Stand on a mini trampoline. Stand on a phone. Okay? If you're concerned about balance and doing it at home, start them in sitting. So they're safe. Okay? Alright, so everybody try that on yourselves. Get the paper out. Find a speed that you can move at.